In today's episode, we'll be drawing Disgust from Inside Out. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are Hello guys, in today's episode we'll be drawing Disgust from Inside Out. So basically Inside Out is a movie about feelings, having feelings. And so yeah, we're gonna start off with drawing very lightly the basic shapes of Disgust. Disgust is a character full of sarcasm and mostly protecting Riley, the main character, from danger. So yeah, thank you Norina A for requesting to draw a character from Inside Out. So I decided to just choose Disgust for this episode, as it is actually one of my favorite character in the movie. So I start off by drawing the bottom part of Disgust's body, which is the legs first, and then I'm moving up to her dress, her skirt. It's like a pleated skirt, so we are going to divide it into different sections and just draw a line down to show a fold in the skirt, and a line up to show the different sections of the pleated skirt. Make sure when you draw, always draw lightly and get your proportions right. And then you can make your lines slightly darker and thicker once you get all your lines right. And then now we're moving on to the belt. We're drawing a letter D to represent Disgust in the middle of her belt. So the letter D is actually covered by her hands, so we are only seeing part of it. And a curved line for the bottom part of the belt. So now we are moving on to the upper body. We are drawing the hands. She's actually have her hands folded, so we are drawing the folded parts of her hands. So we extend the line out for her arms and elbow. We are drawing her hand coming out. Now we're drawing the top part of the dress, which is like a V-neck shape. And Disgust is wearing a scarf, so we're trying to draw her short scarf around her neck. And we are readjusting the head, the shape of the head. Continue on with the hair part. Disgust has short hair, so we're drawing one side of the hair and the other side is a curved line outwards going down. Now we're moving on to the eyes. With drawing portraits, usually we divide the head into different sections. You can draw a vertical and horizontal line across so we know where to place the eyes and the nose and also the mouth. And the eyebrows, just like a wave starting from the center to corner, and her very long eyelashes. Moving on to her nose. She has a very small nose, just a line down, and it looks a bit like a triangular shape. Moving on to the mouth area, we are drawing the shape of her lips. She's actually opening up her mouth, which is giving us the look of disgust. So it's a wavy line at the top and also at the bottom part. And then we're going to draw her teeth. Hey, we're done with her drawing. Now it's for coloring time. So I'm using a lot of different shades of green. A mixture of color pencil, Sharpie, and Copic markers to get the right shades of green for her hair and the rest of her body. Then we're adding in the shadows as well, and also the patterns for her dress. Thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye!